Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money to Australian bank accounts, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first, head over to wise.com, or you could also download this app in the mobile phone. Once you do, don't worry, it's completely free. You're going to click on send money, and I'm assuming you want to make an international transfer, so we're going to click on international. Same currency can also be done, but we're doing international. So this one should be AUD, which means Australian dollar, and this one should be the currency that you are currently using. Let's say you're using euro, and then you put in the amount. You can put either 500 euro, let's say, that you're sending, or maybe you want to send 500 AUD, so you're going to put it over there wherever you want, but make sure it's the correct currency. And then we're going to click on continue, and then we're going to click on add a recipient, and then it could be yourself or someone else. I'm assuming it's someone else, so I click on someone else, and then from there you're going to put in their email, the name of the account holder, their BSB, their account number, everything, and then confirm, and you're going to review it one last time and click on pay, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.